Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this lesson of Python, we'll be learning about conditional statements. In the previous lesson, I briefly went over if statements, but in this lesson, we'll go more in depth with it. In my Python file, I'm first going to declare a variable a, and I'm going to set it equal to 5. To write an if statement, we use the word if followed by some sort of operator that returns true or false. In this case, I'm going to write my if statement to be if a is equal to 5, followed by a colon. We're going to print a is equal to 5. So, this conditional is going to return true or false. If a is equal to 5, we'll print this statement. A is equal to 5. Otherwise, we won't print anything. So now when I run this code, since a is 5, which equals true, we're going to print this statement. However, if I change a from 5 to 4 and run this code again, nothing is printed to the console. That's because this if statement is false and it doesn't return anything. But what if we did want to return something when a is not equal to 5? This is where the else statement comes in. On a new line, I'm going to write else colon print a is not equal to 5. So how an else statement works is if the if statement is false, we skip this line and run the else statement. So now watch when I try and run the code. We get a is not equal to 5. Since a is still 4, this statement is not true, so we skip this print statement and go into the else statement here. Now, what if we want to check multiple ifs in one if statement? We're going to use the else if expression, or the elif expression. The elif expression runs after the if statement. If the if statement is false, we're going to check the else if statement to see if that statement is true or false. So in this else if statement or elif statement, I'm going to write elif a is less than 5. We're going to print a is less than 5. And I'm going to adjust my print statement to a is not equal to 5 or less than 5. So now when I run my code, since a is 4, this statement is not true, so we don't print this, but this elif statement is true, since 4 is less than 5. Our program is going to print a is less than 5. Now, if I change this value to 6, so a is now 6, and we run our code, we're going to check the first if statement. Is a equal to 5? Nope. Since a is 6, we don't print this statement. Now we check this elif statement. Is a less than 5? Is 6 less than 5? Nope. So we also skip this, and now we go to the else statement. and it prints A is not equal to 5 or less than 5. And that's what we get in our console. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.